Picture this, you're hosting a dinner party. The guests are raving about your perfectly portioned dishes, your organized kitchen, and that ridiculously fresh bread they swear just came out of the bakery. Little do they know, you used a few mind-blowing kitchen hacks that took seconds to pull off. Now here's the twist. These hacks are so simple, you'll kick yourself for not trying them sooner. Today we're diving straight into the most efficient, time-saving, and waste-reducing tricks that can elevate your cooking game overnight. Buckle up because these aren't your average tips. They're game changers. Do you think you can guess the hack that turns stale bread into bakery fresh perfection? Hang tight, we'll get there. Let's jump into the first hack, a personal favorite and a lifesaver for meal prepping, the muffin tin trick. Think of it as your new sous chef. Portion out ingredients like diced veggies, spices, or even cookie dough into each cup. No more fumbling around mid-recipe. It's all there, ready to go. It's so effective that chefs swear by it for efficiency. Here's another. Ever wrestled with keeping your counters clean while cooking? Grab a small tray or plate to corral ingredients. It's like giving your chaos a home. Not only does it keep your space organized, but it also makes cleanup ridiculously easy. Now, for all you fruit lovers, the strawberry hulling hack. Take a straw, push it through the bottom of the berry, and voila, the leaves and stem pop right out. No knife, no mess. It's simple, fun, and oddly satisfying. Oh, and that stale bread dilemma? This one's a showstopper. Pop your loaf into the oven for a few minutes. Not only will it revive the crust, but it'll also make your kitchen smell like you've been baking all day.
Eyes rolling.
Did you just roll your eyes? Trust me, I thought these hacks were gimmicks too. But the first time I'll hold a strawberry with a straw, let's just say I felt like a kitchen ninja. You will too. And if you're doubting how much these work, remember, thousands of viewers have tried these and can't stop raving. The muffin tin hack alone has saved me countless hours, and I'm no Michelin star chef. By the way, if you're loving these tips so far, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell. I've got plenty more hacks like these coming your way. So here's the payoff. Imagine effortlessly navigating your kitchen. No wasted time, no wasted food, just pure culinary confidence. These aren't just hacks. They're your secret weapon for being that person everyone asks for cooking advice. Let's recap the magic. Your muffin tin becomes your prep MVP. Countertops stay tidy so you're not drowning in chaos. Strawberries? Perfectly hold every time. Stale bread? Forget it. It's bakery fresh now. But here's the thing. Hacks are only as good as your willingness to try them. So why not pick one and start today? Trust me, once you see the difference, you'll never cook the same way again. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more life-changing tips. Thanks for watching. Your kitchen revolution starts now.